Hi guys, this is Ratcat again, trying to work out how to get Dead Island 2 working with UEVR. Okay, so I have got it working pretty well and I am quite happy. I'm not going to muck around with the settings anymore, that is for sure. So um, what happened was I downloaded the UEVR nightly, mucked around all day, and then I gave up, and then I came back and I got rid of it and downloaded an earlier version. And believe it or not, that worked. So if you have a problem with your nightly version of UEVR, download an older version and maybe that'll work. So I don't know if you can see the screen, but I'm going to quickly go through and have a look at the settings because it's working now and I want to be able to keep these settings. Desktop spectator view is turned off. So have a look at those settings. Skip draw. Alternating AFR works for me. I might actually try stereo after, but for now I'm going to leave that as it is. Ghosting fix is ticked. Enable GUI. Uncap frame rate. Disable blur widgets. Disable HDR composition. Disable instance culling and disable HZBO occlusion. Input. You can freeze it on any page if you like, obviously. Just freeze it and have a look at my settings. Because this is working really well. And by the way, finally, I am using desktop VD, virtual desktop, after reading so many comments about people saying that's all I use, it's all I've ever used, it's better than the stupid Quest Link software. I don't know why I didn't believe it. I guess I didn't think my wireless was fast enough, but it is. I've got actually as of next month I'll have 500 megabits per second, so 5G. So anyway, now I'm going to turn off something just quickly. I'm going to turn off spectator view so we can look at my settings. I don't know why, but I can't get the entire screen to work with UEVR. With OBS. I don't know why. I've tried. Anyway, so what I've done is I've got the game in a window and you can have a look at the settings I've got. So resolution 1920 by 1200, 1610. Windowed. VSync, yes. I thought I had that off. Okay. Maximum frame rate 120. Field of view 75. Motion blur 0. HDR enabled no. And then we go down to advanced or advanced. Oh, advanced. I just bit my tongue. So overall quality, I think that will change just depending on these settings. So anti-aliasing temporal AA low, view distance high, post-processing high, shadows low, textures ultra, effects low, foliage detail high, SSAO medium, indirect shadows medium, screen space reflections medium, shading quality medium, and because I have an NVIDIA video card, I have these two off. Okay, so they're all my settings inside the game that work really well for me. But I've got an RTX 4070, which isn't the greatest video card, but it's pretty good. I think it's 12 gig. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's 12 gig. So use those settings and the settings I showed you in UEVR. If it doesn't work, download a different version of UEVR and you should be fine. Okay, hope this helps. Catch you all later. Bye.